There is a palette in this month's Boxycharm. Hello, welcome or welcome back. The price for Boxycharm is $32 plus there's a $1.99 handling fee. So I just say it's $33.99 plus tax. You get to pick 3 of your 5 full-size products that come in the box, and choice opens the first of each month and runs through the 3rd. Familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It is a beauty box. You will get skincare, makeup, sometimes hair products, sometimes makeup tools like sponges, brushes, that kind of thing. This is sent to me complimentary from Boxycharm to show you there is no requirements that they tell me I have to do a YouTube video or anything like that, but I like to share with you guys, and it gets me excited about using the products. So first up with skincare. This is from Sonage. They are cruelty-free. Here is what the box looks like and the packaging. It says that it is a French origin, but this is made in the USA, spa grade botanical ingredients. This is the Opalese Brightening Serum. As a retail price of $48 for 1 fluid ounce. And what this is supposed to target is dark spots, brightens up your skin. It is something that it says to use gradual, and you build up to the amount of times that you use it. You start with 3 times a week over your dark spots and gradually increase to twice a day. Once the dark spots have diminished, then you can apply it all over your face for a brightening effect. Use it because I don't really have dark spots. I could always use brightening, but I think that I'll probably pass this along to someone who can get more use out of it. It got 4.9 stars based on 30 reviews on their website. The main difference between the people who gave it 4 stars and 5 stars was some people said that they had been using it for a while and didn't notice a difference, while other people love it and noticed a difference. If you are curious and you want to read through more of the ingredients, more of the reviews, I will have the links to all of these products down in the description box. You can just expand more under the video, and then you can go read more if you want to. The next item was one of the things on the spoiler list. Now, this was the only thing I received in my box that was on the spoiler list. If you want to see what other products and learn about their reviews that were on the spoiler list, I will have that video linked down in the description box as well, and at the end of this video. This is from Fenty Skin. They're cruelty-free, however, their parent company is not. And this is the Flash Nap, the Instant Revival Eye Gel Cream with a little eye massager here. This set has a retail price of $44. This is how big the tool is. It's about the size, like half of a finger. I know that might be a weird comparison, but I think that you'll get it. And the size of this is 0.5 fluid ounce. This product is also vegan. Now, I've only used it a couple times. The box just came yesterday. I will say that the eye cream felt nice. Nothing stood out. Nothing was like horrible or anything. It was nice. The thing that I do like, which isn't really worth $44 for me, but like I said, the eye cream seems nice. This little tool. Now, a lot of the big ice rollers that you would like do around your face that was much bigger than this, those were okay to me, but this is very cooling when you do that. I didn't even store it in the refrigerator or anything. I think it would be too cold, but it's very refreshing. So I like the little tool. I couldn't find where she sells this separately, but hey, Fenty, you should sell this separately too, because it's nice. This set got 4.5 stars with over 1,300 reviews on their website. Like the previous product, the lower reviews, the main complaint was that they didn't see a difference. The high reviews, people said that they loved it, saw a difference. One person said that it smelled good, but yeah, I'm not really getting any scent. And people did love the eye massage tool. Also, hello, if we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Staci, and on Staci Beauty here, I am all about, my mission is to help you and I feel and look the most confident we can, and to feel good and look good no matter what our age. And I know that this is a big mission, but can we stop the talk about she looks good for her age? Every time I hear that, I just think, can't we just say she looks good? Why does it have to be always that caveat of, well, for her age? You know what I mean? Am I the only one that like just irks you or not? But I hope that if you enjoy how I present things, you in getting value out of this video, that you will consider hitting that subscribe button. It is free to do. I do put out new videos every Sunday and Thursday. And it's just a combination of beauty, skincare, makeup, and fashion. So I hope to have you here and join this community. Let's go on to another spoiler. And this one is makeup. A palette, but don't go away. We still got some more items. This is from Ace Beaute. They are cruelty-free. It was packaged very well in the box, and then the box was put in bubble wrap. This is the Whimsical Bloom eyeshadow palette. It has a retail price of $38.99, and we got some color here. I will insert the swatches. I will say that when I was applying the green to my eye, I did notice if you want more of a pastel, then use these dry, use a little bit of a fluffier brush. If you're looking for more of a punch of the color, a little bit more opaque, then I would say apply it with your finger or wet the brush. Now, a tip, if you are going to wet your brush and use shadows, my recommendation would be either to put the brush in your shadow first and then spray it and use it. Or if you are going to spray the brush and then dip into your shadow, start with just using like one corner of the shadow. Because if you do it a lot of times, it will change the consistency of the shadow. So I like to have at least half of my shadow dry. So just a little tidbit. How do you usually apply your eyeshadow? Dry brush, fingers, or you like to wet the brush and get usually more pigmentation? Which way do you prefer? I normally use a dry brush as my go-to. You know what? I forgot to say where things have been made. Okay, so the Sonage was made in the US. The product itself from Fenty is made in the US. The eye tool is made in China. And the palette is made in China. If you see a product that says made in PRC, just to let you know, that is essentially it's saying made in China. What happened is a while ago, to help with PR, they started changing it to say made in PRC because technically China is the People's Republic of China. It only had one review on their website, 5-star. And yeah, I think the colors are pretty. I will have to play around with it. I would say if you are afraid of color, don't be quite as alarmed when you open this, because you can, like I said, if you apply with a fluffy brush, they are more pastel than bright. So this one I think really depends on how you apply it. There was a little bit of fallout with the glitter shades, so I would say to apply your eyes first and then do your face makeup with that one. Next up, we have from Laura Geller. She is cruelty-free. The brand is cruelty-free. This is the Style Eyes Liner Duo, and I was very happy to see that we have other colors than black. This is the Royal Plum and Warm Cocoa. Now, when I looked online, I did not see these on her website. I could find a dual liner like this on Amazon, but the colors, I couldn't find these exact colors. They do have a price on Amazon if you are Prime. There's $37. If you are not Prime, it said it was $43.29. Always such weird prices on there, right? And these are made in China. They have a 6-month shelf life. You know what? The ones on Amazon, that's the closest I could find now that I'm looking at this, because the one online had a built-in sharpener at the end and this one doesn't. I thought they were the same, but they're not. So yeah, these I couldn't find, but they did apply like a gel liner. So I'm thinking the ones on Amazon are very similar. There was no pulling, no tugging or anything like that. They really glided on very easy. And if you wanted to smudge them out, I would say apply and then smudge and then do the other eye. Did you know that Laura Geller, she's coming back to Ulta? At one point years ago, she was in Ulta, then went away. And yes, now she is relaunching in Ulta stores this year. Yay! If you are liking this video so far and getting value, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. Also, at the end of this video, please share this out with anyone that you think would be interested in learning more about Boxycharm or about the products mentioned. We still have another product. And also, I just wanted to say that I do have a link down below. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy Icon, or Boxycharm, it is affiliate, so I do receive a small commission if you go through that, so always appreciated. This is a great gift idea for Mother's Day, for Easter, Valentine's Day, so just kind of, I wanted to throw that out there. Next up, we have from Ciate London. They are cruelty-free, and this is also vegan. The Vitamin Boost Setting Spray. This has a price of $22 for 75 milliliters. This is, where is this made? This is made in China. This is for hydration, dewy finish, locking your makeup in place for the day. There were no reviews on their website. For setting sprays, this one smells really good, by the way. You normally go either a T or an X. I know some people do not like the feeling of spraying things on their face. If that is you, there is another way that you can use setting spray. Still, what you can do is spray it on Beauty sponge and then pat that on. Then you're going to get that lock of hydration, the locking of the makeup, but then you're not getting that if you don't like that feeling. Or another tip is if you apply it and you're just feeling like it's too dewy, too much, then take either your Beauty sponge or a sponge like this, and again, just lightly tap over, very lightly. I think I'm picking up, oh yes, yep. I thought maybe cucumber because it felt like very fresh and hydrating, or very fresh and like awakening. It's a freshly cucumber scent. The things that I'm most excited about trying is the Ciate London, because I really felt like it was just refreshing spray. The Laura Geller eyeliner, because I'm really loving, like I mentioned, her message. And surprisingly, this little eye roller thing, those, I mean, the other things I'm happy about, but those would be my top. So that's what I'm happy about. So for the actual value now, again, just as a refresher, the price is $32 plus the $1.99. So $33.99 plus tax is the cost. The value of my February 2025 Boxycharm is $195.99. So value-wise there. Would I have gone out and purchased the products? Probably not, but I'm happy to have them. If you've made it this far, thank you for sticking around till the end. I would love to know, let me know by commenting. Let's see, if you made it this far, yes, comment flowers. And if you want to, let me know what your favorite flower is. But if not, you can just comment flowers and that'll let me know. I'm just kind of always interested who sticks around And yeah, what's your favorite flower? I feel like that's a hard one, but I always go back to a Gerber daisy. They're just so pretty. But anyway, again, if you want to see what other spoilers, what other products you could choose, learn about the reviews, you can check out this video next. And I hope to see you back here on Thursday. Thank you so much. Bye.